Hi boys and girls, today we're going to sing a very cool old lullaby called Frère, Jacques, and we're going to sing it in 2 languages. The first language is French and the second language is English. Do you know what a lullaby is? A lullaby is a song that helps us to get to sleep. Cool, huh? Are you ready? Well, come on then, let's go!
Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Brother John, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Are you sleeping, Brother John, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong, ding dang dong, ding dang Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing, ding dang dong.
Oh, that was beautiful. Hey, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon. Bye.